What is up, everybody? Zach from Motor Chronicles. Got another product from Tesery coming to you. This time it's a blind spot monitoring light system, basically, that plugs into your Tesla and gives you a more heads-up display for your blind spot instead of just those little red lights on the corner. This works on the Model Y Juniper that we're going to put it on, and it works on the Highland as well, so the more recent Model Ys. But let's get this thing unboxed, get into it, and we'll install it and then show you guys how it works. So again, you don't need to pull this gray piece off. I just took it off to show you guys, but if you do want to pull it off, it's just held on together with clips, so you can literally just pop it off. But again, you don't need to for this install. So we're gonna expose this cover here. So if you take the pry tool that Tesery gave you, pop that off, and then we'll pull the weather stripping out here. You're gonna want to pull it all the way down this way, because you're gonna wind up taking this whole piece off here. So pull off that plastic trim piece. Then we got a little popper right here, a little plastic clip. Pull that guy off. And then this whole piece is gonna come off. You'll want to kind of start here and pop it, and then you come back and pop it off this whole way. And then when it comes out, it'll come out with this long way like that. Okay, now that you've removed all this, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna run the light part up through this little crack right here. Might have to. Just like that. So you can see the light comes up through there and right through here. And then that way, when you pull this up, your plug that wouldn't have fit through there is already there, allowing you to run this a little bit cleaner. Just take the prep wipe that comes with the kit, get it out of here. So when you look at this, it's got some writing on one side. I'm gonna put the writing is gonna go against it. So we're gonna prep the side with the writing, give this a swipe down. We'll let that dry, and then we'll go into the car here and do the same thing on this black surface here that we're gonna put this on. Okay, now we'll take the provided double-sided tape. Same thing, starting on the side we just prepped. We're gonna put a strip of this tape on this guy. Well, I can fix it right now. All right, so the tape's on there. Same thing, 1 3/4 inches from the side, except we want to put it on the top of this lip here, is what we determined. So you're gonna run it like that. So when the video looks out of order, that's because we did it wrong the first time. But this is the right way to do this. So you got the 2 wiring harnesses that come with the kit. This big plug is gonna plug in right here. Then you will unplug this plug right here, and you'll plug in the one plug that fits in there and there, and then re-plug in that thing you just unplugged to that other plug. And then your second wiring harness, the white will go to the light that you brought down, and then this black plug goes to the black plug on the other harness. And now you should have power. Start like this. Make sure all your wires are where you want them to be. Put our plastic clip back in. Plastic trim piece back on. Weather stripping back on. And that's that. Let's go take it for a drive and see how it works with the blind spot monitoring. So when you get them in the blind spot, it turns yellow, and then if you turn on your blinker, it'll turn red to let you know not to do it.